Somebody is home. Let's go. Look at that, dude. There we go.
We are at Browns Creek off Heckscher Drive in Jacksonville. You can tell it's low tide right here. And this creek, it got the best of me. Took my $300 camera. Let's get right into it.
So this is why I love fishing low tide, because now when I fish here at high tide, I know that this whole thing is just one big mud flap. Holy crap. Let's see if we can get something. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of fish. Might be jacks. So what I was saying is I love fishing low tide because now I know that that's just one big mud flat. This has some oyster beds to fish. This right here is going to be a deeper cut, so it's just going to be great. It's just great to know, in my opinion, and that's why I like to fish new spots or spots I haven't fished in a long time at low tide. You know, let's fish this deeper water. Let's see if anybody's home in here. I feel like there could be some trout. Oh, wow, that was fast. Been fishing the shallow water and then this thing doesn't know it's hooked, unless it's kind of coming right at me. Could be small. What is it? I have no idea. A frickin' catfish, are you kidding me? A catfish? Oh, I would rather get skunked than catch a catfish. I hate these things. Alright. Yuck. Line feels fine. But white curly tail, literally my first cast in the deeper water, and got excited there for a second. It's alright. We're on the board at least. Cast down this dock line. Sure looks fishy. It's a really nice dock. Come on, Flounder. Anybody home? Oh, somebody is home. Let's go. Oh, it's a red. Shit, I gotta get this out. There we go, there we go, there we go. Was not expecting that. Not very big. Golly. Let's go. Let's go. Right underneath that dock. Pretty fish. Sheesh. Here I am trying to catch flounder, throwing on the bottom, and I catch a redfish. You just can't get away from them this time of year. There's so many redfish right now. Little guy. He might be a keeper if I measured him, but I don't feel like keeping any fish. Look at that. All right. Well, at least we're on the board. Screw that catfish. Let's let him go. Whoops. There's fish right there. Oh. Look at that, dude. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. tell me y'all see that red on the surface. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cool, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that guy on the surface. That's a nice red. So literally seeing those redfish was freaking amazing. And then I get back out here into the deeper water, and this bracket right here holding my other camera just decided to break, and my brand new camera just fell in the water. So that happened. Anyways, it's gone now, so I'm gonna keep fishing. The only thing is I'm not gonna be able to like talk to the camera. Like whenever I reel a fish in, I like to show them. I'm not gonna be able to do that, but hey, small potatoes in the grand scheme of things. Let's go see if we can catch one. They're working their way down this bank. Let's get off the bank a little bit. Whew, dude, they are just blowing up right here. Y'all see that? That's incredible. They're working their way down. Let's see if we can get one. Oh, that's right there. There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I don't even know if he knows he's hooked. Let's go. That was cool. Woo! Literally, he was working that bank. All right, hold on. Let me get you. Whew, that was really cool. This current is kicking my butt. All right, you done? Yeah, you're done. I'm not even gonna try to net you. Ooh, lots of spots. Perfect. Nice slot red. We got 2 spots on that side, 3 on that side. And like I said, I just dropped my other camera in the water, like the bracket broke, so this is how I'm gonna have to show y'all fish in this video. Anyways, let's let it go. All right, that's gonna be it for this one. Not the craziest catches, but still had a great time. I was gonna fish another day, but after losing the camera, I just came back out here and searched for it with a magnet with no luck, but it is what it is. Anyways, I just want to thank y'all so much for watching, and stay tuned because I have a trip to the Bahamas planned, and then I'm getting scuba certified, so going to do some spear fishing, some underwater stuff, and really looking forward to that. So anyways, thank y'all. I hope y'all have a great week, and I will see y'all on the next one.